Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Currently, we have two methods. One method is called executeWithSystemDotSetProperty, and the other method is executeWithOutSystemDotSetProperty. Let's start with executeWithSystemDotSetProperty and show you how our test script fails if we do not add System.setProperty. WebDriver driver equals new Firefox driver. Import both classes, WebDriver and Firefox driver, using the shortcut keys CTRL SHIFT O. Driver.get loads a new web page. This is the benefit of adding Java.doc and or source code. It gives us a description of the method. I created a video showing how to add Java.doc and source code. We are going to load Google by writing https://www.google.com. For now, I am going to only run the first method by selecting its name, then clicking run. We see our test script failed due to an illegal state exception. The path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.gecko.driver system property. The same exception happens for ChromeDriver and Internet Explorer. Let me show you ChromeDriver. I would change FirefoxDriver to ChromeDriver. Then hit run. Illegal state exception. The only difference is Firefox must be set by webdriver.gecko.driver and Chrome must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver. In layman terms, we need to set our system property by establishing a key and a value. The key is the name of the system property, while value is the path of the driver executable. We establish a key and its value using System.setProperty before writing WebDriver equals new ChromeDriver. System.setProperty. We see the set property method receives two parameters, string key and string value. This means the key and the value will be a string, meaning there will be double quotes around the data. First, I will write the key, webdriver.chrome.driver. Next, I will add the value. Let's go to my downloads folder and open the drivers folder. Here we see 3 driver executables. We're going to copy the path of ChromeDriver.exe. A shortcut to copying the path is select Shift key, right mouse click, then copy as path. Paste the path. Then add a backward slash in front or behind the other backward slash. Now let's run. We see Google search page loaded and our test script passed. I will go ahead and close the window by writing driver.close. Let me show you my preferred way of writing a Selenium test script without writing System.setProperty. Either way is okay. Write System.setProperty or not write System.setProperty. However, I like to bypass writing that statement every single time. Within the second method, I will write WebDriver driver equals new ChromeDriver. Driver.navigate.to is another method that loads a new web page. This time, we are going to load Amazon by writing https://www.amazon.com. Driver.quit. There is a difference between driver.close and driver.quit that I will talk about in a subsequent video. In a nutshell, both methods close the browser window. We go back to the drivers folder. This time, I will copy the drivers folder. Go to System, select Advanced System Settings, click Environment Variables, navigate to Path, click Edit, click New, then paste the drivers folder. Path. That one path will take care of all driver executables. Why add the path to environment variables? We add the path to environment variables so the program can access the driver executables when running. That's how we bypass writing System.setProperty. Click OK, click OK, and click OK again. Now we must restart the system. The method will fail if we do not restart our system. Let me show you right quick. Failed. Execute without System.setProperty. I am getting ready to restart. Okay, I'm back. Now let's run. Google search and Amazon loaded without a problem. Both methods pass. Execute without System.setProperty and execute with System.setProperty. My goal in this video was to show you how to execute your test scripts without writing System.setProperty. I created a reference document for you. The document is called How to Bypass System.setProperty. If you're interested, go to tinyurl bypass System.setProperty. TYNY and download the document. Thank you for watching how to bypass System.setProperty.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.